Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Kimberly Lobo, and if you're watching me for the first time, I create lifestyle content. So today I'm at the vintage car rally here in Kampal, and this vlog is not only about that. I'm going to be vlogging my entire week, so stay tuned. Hey, so they flagged off the cars and they are on their way to the Donapal circle, and then they'll come back. We're not going to wait for that long. We're going to leave. I'm actually trying to find my bike at the moment. I really can't find which lane I've parked my bike in. Anyway, I'll tell you my plan for now. My friend is actually coming to meet me. My bike is not here also. Okay, so I was saying, I just got distracted with finding my bike. I was saying that my friend is coming to meet me from Mapsa, and we are going for thali to this place called, what is the name of the place also, I forgot, but I will show you. I'll show you the thali. If people don't know, I don't eat fish. Yes, I'm a Goan and I don't eat fish, but I eat shellfish. So we're going to have prawns thali, and we're going to have a good time with her, so stay tuned. Okay, I finally found my bike. Is that Samira Reddy? It is, I think it is Samira Reddy. She lives in Goa right now, na? Anyway, see you. So I've reached the place. It's called Uday, and I'm waiting for my friends. Fuck, I was supposed to send them my location. Just 1 second. Ari! Hi! Hello! Hi! Don't make me laugh. किती ऑर्डर केला तुम्ही बोल? व्हिडिओ पाठव. होय. मोड दाखव मोडची थाली. मोडची थाली आणि हा होता प्रॉन्स थाली. Happy smile. I love you. Say I love you. So sweet she is. What is your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Yo. Camera ఎందుకు చేయే? Very full కాళ్ళకి ఉంచి ఆమె. full? ఓయ్ మనగొరతే. ఆమెలు? Choli आणि सालाची भाजी. Hey guys, checking in from the next day. I'm here in Kalangut today because I have a shoot, but there's still a lot of time for the shoot. So I'm just here at this place called German Bakery to have some Nutella banana pancakes, and I'll grab something to eat, drink, and then I'll leave because I'm shooting at the beach today and it's so freaking hot. I think it's like 45 degrees today. Accompanying me today is my OG friend Fraser Fernandez. Say hi. Wear your glasses and say hi. He's cleaning the foundation of these glasses. So mean. My pancakes! जाय रे तुका? Sure. एकूय खावचो ना. एकूय बाईट खावचो ना.
In front of the camera naka. Off camera yeah.
काय रे? Hey guys, checking in again. I'm actually going for dinner to Mike's Palace. If you know the place, if you're going, you definitely know the place. This is my fit. I'm using this light for the first time. I'm just kind of trying to adjust it, but uncle and auntie dancing. So sweet. So finally, I got to show you my outfit. My dress is from Zara, and I'm wearing these nice earrings. I don't remember where they are from.